There was once a mighty storm that swept across the mountains. The thunder roared, the trees bent, and the wind howled through the valleys. High above, in a tall nest, a mother eagle struggled to protect her eggs. But the storm was merciless. When it finally passed, one tiny egg had rolled down the hill into a farm below. A farmer found it lying in the mud. He picked it up gently and placed it in the chicken coop. Days later, the egg hatched. Out came a small, golden-brown chick, different from the others, but no one noticed. The little eagle grew up surrounded by chickens. He scratched the ground, flapped his wings clumsily, and pecked at grains all day. When the other birds clucked, he clucked too. He believed he was just another chicken. Sometimes, he'd look up at the sky and see mighty eagles soaring above the clouds, their wings spread wide, gliding effortlessly through the wind. Something stirred in his heart each time he saw them. A strange pull, a whisper from within saying, "You belong there." But the chickens would laugh. "Don't even think about it," they said. "You're one of us. Chickens don't fly that high." And so, he stayed on the ground believing their words. Years passed. He grew bigger, stronger, yet heavier with doubt. One morning, a shadow swept over the farm. A great eagle had descended from the sky and perched on a fence post. It looked straight at the young eagle and said, "What are you doing here among chickens?" The young one bowed his head. I'm a chicken," he said softly. The great eagle chuckled. "Look at yourself," he said. "Your wings are not meant for dust. They're meant for clouds." The young eagle hesitated. "I can't fly that high." The older one spread his wings wide and said, "Not because you can't, but because you've never tried." He leapt into the sky and soared upward in a single, powerful motion. Then he called out, "Come, the sky is waiting for you." The young eagle looked up at the endless blue stretching above. His heart raced. His feathers trembled. For the first time, he spread his wings. Truly spread them. He pushed against the air. Once, twice, and then he rose. Higher and higher, until the farm below became a distant memory. The wind carried him, the clouds embraced him, and the world below bowed in silence. He was finally home. Moral of the story: sometimes you forget who you are, not because you've changed, but because you've lived too long listening to those who never saw your wings. Don't let their limits become your reality. Look up. Spread your wings and fly, because you were never born for the ground. You were born for the sky. You were born for the sky. Born for the sky. Born for the sky.